Where's all the medics going?
Good!
Yeah? I don't know. Push up.
I've done all this running around bullshit before. Didn't get me anywhere.
I say we camp here. We force them to keep walking.
Eyes on 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, let's try to go up on this slow. Okay.
4, moving up. Top road. We got advantage. We got wind advantage. Holy crap, you must be hard right there.
Yeah. It's been. It's actually pretty cool.
Shannon, move it up. Far left.
Who? Alright, he's there. Corner. You guys can move forward. I don't think they can reach right now. You gonna move up, Josh?
Yep.
Not yet. I'll take this position. I'll point out a guy for you. See him? Yeah. Oh, can't see him now. You see him? I can see his head, but I can't reach either. Oh, I think you can. Oh, I can reach.
Okay.
That's right.
I can't see him either.
Oh, he moved. I saw orange tag. That's the only way I saw him. He's ripping, man. Oh yeah, he's behind the brush. I don't think I can get to him. Nah, he's pretty far back. I can't reach him now. We gotta move up.
Sniper, we got sniper top right. Oh, you're
Moving to the right side. Hey, who's got a long gun?
reloading. Stay down, Ben. Yeah, there's a couple of them.
You pinned down my snipers?
Yeah.
Candy got taken out over here too. Thanks.
Shot.
Hey, sniper.
There he is.
Watch your backside, medic coming up that way.
Roger. I think I can get one through the branches one.
Shandon's down here inside the bowl. I got
Hey,
three over
sniper.
here. Once you take a shot. Shannon's down inside the bowl.
Alright, we got one guy moving right.
Directly ahead of me.
Shoot him.
We got three over there total.
Hey, sniper,
We got three up there. We got three up there.
Oh, I wasn't looking up there.
Over here behind the rock. Got three on the bridge to the right. Okay, it's clear. Don't come get me.
Move up behind him. I'm gonna go get myself shot at for a second so that you can move down and get Shannon, alright? Don't worry, I got this.
I want you to jump. I want you to move up. Don't call there. Galen.
Okay. We need a medic to the left. Medic to the left bank.
I thought you were dead. See, Bob, there is a medic over there.